Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to remove pimples in Photoshop, the ultimate solution for flawless skin in your pictures. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Left-click on this icon for Unlock Layer. Click, hold and drag layer for make it duplicate. Click here and select Vivid Color option. Press Ctrl+I for invert. Now, go to the filter option, click Other and select High Pass. Again, go to the filter option, click Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Press and hold Alt button, plus left click on this icon for masking. Click here and select white color. Click on this icon and select brush tool. Click on this drop down icon and select soft rounded brush. Click here, adjust brush size and after that follow the process. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of creativity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creatives, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for more design inspiration, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.